Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we are going to embark on a delightful baking adventure and create a stunning tiger cake that will leave your taste buds roaring with excitement. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, and let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, I cracked 4 eggs, then added 1½ cups of sugar, then a teaspoon of aromatic vanilla extract, adding a heavenly fragrance to the batter. To bring it all together, I took my trusty hand blender and mixed until every granule of sugar dissolved, leaving us with a smooth and creamy base. Now, it's time to enhance the texture and moisture of our cake. I poured 1 cup of milk into the bowl, followed by ½ a cup of vegetable oil, ensuring the cake stays moist and tender. With another gentle blend, the batter turned into a silky symphony of flavors, ready to welcome our dry ingredients. In a separate dish, I combined 2½ cups of flour, which will give our cake its structure, along with a tablespoon of baking powder, the secret to its fluffy rise. A pinch of salt was added to enhance the overall taste. After gently mixing these dry ingredients, I added them to the egg batter, and mixed nicely, transforming it into a luscious, lump-free concoction. Now comes the exciting part, creating those iconic tiger stripes. I divided the batter into 2 equal portions. To 1 portion, I added 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, which will give our cake its striking dark stripes. To add a little twist, I sprinkled in a teaspoon of instant coffee, intensifying the chocolate flavor, and just a few drops of vibrant orange food coloring to the other portion, adding a touch of excitement to our cake's design. Then I gave them both a good mix until I got this nice orange and brown color. Using a 23 cm or 9-inch springform pan, I started adding the batter alternately, a scoop of the rich cocoa batter, followed by a scoop of the vibrant orange batter. Layer upon layer, our tiger stripes began to take shape, creating a mesmerizing visual delight. Now, it's time to let the oven work its magic. I preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then I baked the cake for 30 to 45 minutes, making sure to check on it after 30 minutes using a wooden stick, ensuring it comes out clean and the cake is perfectly baked. And there you have it, our spectacular tiger cake is now ready to be served. With its enticing appearance and delectable taste, this cake is sure to impress your friends and family. So, go ahead and give it a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delightful recipes, and share this video with your fellow baking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and always remember, good food brings good mood.